Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by meeting minimal prerequisites: level, gear, and a key. Load a suppressed rifle, 2 medkits, grenades, and a dedicated backpack. Once geared, spawn on shoreline near the lighthouse entrance or use the marked spawn depending on raid type. Move quietly, use soft steps and safe peek techniques because the Keeper and AI respond to sound. Make sure to check common sniper nests on approach. Clearing them first makes the final encounter manageable and preserves your resources for extraction. Once near the lighthouse, approach using cover and short bursts. You want to dictate the fight. Suppressors and armor-piercing rounds matter because the Keeper has high protection. Aim head and upper chest to reduce time to kill. Move methodically. Clear peripheral AI sentries before committing to the Keeper's position, then isolate him with grenades or flash tactics if needed. If you down him, search quickly for the key item and exit via your planned extraction. Remember to monitor your clock. Overcommitting increases exposure to squads and snipers. After securing the Keeper's item, exit on your preselected extraction route immediately. Looting beyond the necessary item invites hunters. Once home, place the item in your stash or complete the quest handoff to the appropriate trader. Confirm the quest update in your log. If things fail, troubleshoot. Watch your raid replay or recording to identify mistakes, swap weapons to higher pen rounds, or practice the approach in offline mode. Make sure to adapt timing and angle based on what went wrong. Small changes fix repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.